Hi guys, a few days back I had a comment on the video I did assembling this cheap solar kit that I bought on eBay a long time ago. It's very simple, it's just a solar panel, electric motor, big gear onto the back wheels. It's a good example of how you actually need good sunlight, because we're in the window here. Oh, it's nearly going. Oh, there we go. It's struggling. And that's good sunlight out there at the moment. If we walk through the house, at the back here, it's much happier out in the direct sunlight. Got a bit of a squeak to it. But I'm not sure whether that will actually go on a flat surface. You see there, as soon as there's a bit of shadow, it stops. Oh, it is going. Oh, I didn't even think it would run outdoors. Oh, it is working, but it really doesn't have much power. Oh. Have to make sure the gear is lined up with the... There. It could do with a slightly bigger panel, just to make it go that much better. There we go, as soon as we go in a bit of shadow, nothing. Well, you can probably work out what I'm trying to do here. I've got a tether in the middle there, so it can go round in circles. But of course, now that I've done that, great big black cloud up there, and it looks to me like there's more coming over. So this might be a fail. Might have to leave it for another day. I'll leave it out here for now, just in case the sun picks up again. What will probably happen though is it will be later and the sun will be behind the tree then, or down behind the fence. It's still April at the moment, so the sun's not very high in the sky anyway. We'll see. Sun's coming out. Go on. I think later in the year, when it's a bit sunnier, a bit higher in the sky, it might go a bit better. I really thought it was going to go for it then. Wind's blowing it back now. That's not fair. Teasing us. You can probably see it's just not absolutely bright sunlight at the moment. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.